Hello everyone, myself Kavita Chitnis. I'm a research analyst at Clint Derma. Today in this video, I want to talk about one research article that explains the connection between PCOS and acne. The research article title is Polycystic Ovary Syndrome Associated Acne. Normally, when we think of acne, what is the first thing that comes to our mind? Excess oily skin, clogged pores, and inflammation, right? But this article explains that in women with PCOS, acne is not a surface problem or the skin problem. It is also connected to hormonal and metabolic changes happening inside the body. One of the major factors discussed in this article is hyperandrogenism. Now, what is this big word hyperandrogenism? Let me explain you in a simple way. In hyperandrogenism, androgen hormone, which is naturally present in women, becomes more active or dominant than the normal. Now, this increased androgen activity stimulate the oil producing glands, causing excess oil production. Now, when this excess oil mixes with the dead skin cell, it can clog the pores and create an environment where acne can easily develop. The research also highlight on another important factor, which is insulin resistance. In simpler words, insulin resistance means your body is not responding to insulin properly. Because of this, body produces more insulin. Now, these higher insulin levels can trigger the ovaries or influence the ovaries to produce more androgen hormones, which can further increase oil production and worsen the acne. So, the PCOS related acne is not caused only by one thing. It is a combination of different factors like hormonal imbalance, increased androgen activity, insulin resistance, excess oil production, and inflammation. All these factors can work together and make acne more persistent. This article also explains that treating only pimples may always not solve the problem because the underlying hormonal imbalance also needs the attention. A complete approach may include suitable skincare, lifestyle changes or modification, and appropriate medical treatment depending upon the individual needs. The main takeaway from this research article is that PCOS related acne is not just the skin problem. It can be sign of hormonal changes happening inside your body. So, understanding this connection can help us manage acne in a better and more complete way. Thank you for watching this video.